I welcome you, beautiful traders, in this video. So today I'm just going to be sharing with you simple ways on how to use oversold and overbought zones, and also reasons for you to use them or its significance in your trading. So before I can get started, may you please hit that subscription button if you are not a subscribed member, and also press that like button. It helps the channel a lot. So that's the best thing that you can do for me. Just like the video, hit that subscription button, and let's get started. So what you need to know, guys, is that what we have to know as traders when we are in the market, the most important things we should be able to see, it is when buyers are more than sellers, and also when sellers are more than buyers. So once you are able to spot these two things in the market, you need to know that already you have an advantage, you have an edge over the market, because now you understand that, okay, if I have buyers which are more than sellers, you understand that, okay, now for the market to continue and flow, we will need these guys in the market. Same thing applies here. Once you see that, okay, we have sellers more than buyers, for the market to continue to flow or for you to benefit from the market, you need to be a buyer. You need to be a buyer. For an example, if you are in a real marketplace, and you see that we have a lot of buyers, you will know that the only thing that we need, or the only people who are going to make money, it is sellers coming in. They are going to benefit. Why? Because if we have a lot of buyers, it means that that product is in demand. So same thing applies if we are in a marketplace and there are a lot of people selling something. The people who are going to benefit it is those who are buying. Why? Because here they will drop the prices because there is too much supply. So they will drop the prices, and those who are going to benefit it is the buyers. So same thing applies with these oversold and overbought zones. They are here to show you this same thing, for you to see when buyers are in access and when sellers are in access. So indicators that can show you this, the very good indicators, it is the RSI, the stochastic. So never mind why I'm using the MFI. It is a trading view indicator, but it shows you the same thing. It shows you oversold and it shows you overbought, but I just like it because of these red and green bars, which make me to spot those levels very easy without any pain in my eyes. So I hope that is clear. There is nothing special about it. You can still use the RSI or the stochastic if you are an MT5 trader, or you can try to search it. I'm not sure if they have an MT5 version of the indicator, but you can search it. I believe you can find it if you love this one. So then what you need to understand as a trader is that, make sure, if you are to consider what I'm teaching you right now, make sure that you put this indicator in your system and you never enter a trade without a signal from this indicator. If the indicator is not showing you that, okay, price is oversold, make sure that you don't enter that buy. Let it be your confirmational tool. Let it help you to confirm. It helps, guys, to just narrow your perspective into your trading. It helps to just improve that accuracy in your trading, because if you are to see it's a result, you can see that it is more accurate, and in most cases it is more accurate. So I don't say use it alone. For an example, you see this red thing, you begin to click sell. You see this green thing, you begin to click buy. No, it doesn't work like that. It's a confirmation tool. You use it to confirm what you have already analyzed and what you've already understood through the main system that you are using, which in most cases is price action. So for an example, I have this channel here and I can see, okay, my price is down on my trend line here. My price is down. So that's the first thing. Price has to be down on my trend line. You see, so then if it's down on my trend line, that's where I have to check this guy. If this indicator told me about sellers being in access or sellers being more than buyers. So indeed it told me It told me here. So now I'm confident that when price bounces here, I can buy. I am confident because this is now a second confirmation. Even before I can wait for a downward flow, a break of the downward flow or the downward pattern, even before I can wait for it, already this guy told me. You see, already he told me that, okay, we have sellers which are more than the buyers. So for me to wait for the pattern break, it's an additional confirmation again, which say, okay, I'm going to buy somewhere here. I'm going to buy somewhere here. And remember, guys, if we have an upward momentum, that is this thing that I taught about this issue of oscillators. If we have an upward momentum, the most zone that we consider, it is the oversold zone. It is the oversold zone, meaning it is this zone below here, not these ones above here. These ones above here, they are here to show you a corrective which is coming in. That's why even here we consider only this green one after we hit this trend line here. We can't consider it anyway. We can't say because it's here somewhere right here, we can't say we are buying here. No, we cannot buy. We need to see our price action confirming everything. That's why you have to wait for price to touch here and then break the downward pattern. So same thing applies here. When you see this overbought here in an upward momentum like this, you need to know that it is here just to show you a corrective. But if we are to spot it here, if we are to have a red bar somewhere here, let's say we have a red one. If we are to have a red bar somewhere here, and then that's where we are going to wait and say, okay, because price is close to our trend line, let's wait for price to hit our trend line and then let it break this upward pattern here. After it breaks this upward pattern, then we are ready to press sell here and the price is going to go down. But we cannot consider a red bar even here. Where is my tool? We cannot consider a red bar here because we are not close to our price action key level, which is that trend line there. So it has to be a confirmational tool that you use with your price action or with your main system. Same thing applied in the past here. We consider these green zones here or these oversold zones here because price is now touching our trend line. So we are ready to buy here with boldness because just before price was on the oversold levels, just before the trend line was touched, price was on the oversold levels. So we are ready to buy with confidence. We are ready to buy with confidence. I hope that one is making sense, guys. So it's a confirmational tool, not a main tool. So that's the best way to use oscillators. Use them to confirm your trading. So I hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe.